Hey guys, welcome to Food Treasure. Today we are going to make some Italian pasta. So when you say Italian, it always comes pizza, pasta, which is famous all over the world. We are cooking one of the very famous Italian pasta, which is spaghetti carbonara. So when you say carbonara, the typical Italian, they use the specific meat. It's called guanciale, which is the pork, the cheek part, which is cured meat, same like the ham and the prosciutto. But I tried to find out this guanciale in several shops. I couldn't find it, but today we are going to use smoked bacon instead. Let's begin with the ingredients. So on the ingredient we have spaghetti, we got some smoked bacon, 2 cloves of garlic, which I've chopped it already. I got some chives, you can use a parsley instead, 2 whole egg, I got the block of Parmesan cheese, got some olive oil, salt, pepper. First I've got some water in the saucepan. I'm gonna bring it to boil. Then I'm gonna twist my spaghetti and chuck it there. And mix all the spaghetti into the water. I forgot to mention this is for the easy 2 people I'm making. And I'm gonna set the timer for 10 minutes. Hey Google, can you set the timer for 10 minutes?
10 minutes, starting now.
So while my pasta is cooking, I'm going to prepare my sauce. So a lot of people, they use the cream in the carbonara. So if the Italian find it, they use the cream in the carbonara, they will kill you. So we got the 2 eggs. Just going to grate some cheese on the top. Let's put some cracked pepper. And whisk it. You can do it with the small fork. So this is going to be our sauce very at the end when you cook the pasta. So what we can do now, we can leave it on the side and put our pan on heat. And meanwhile we just gotta watch out our pasta. A lot of people, they use the oil when they cook the pasta. It's not really necessary. If you stir this one in between, shouldn't be a problem. So on the pan, touch oil. Just be generous with the oil, because later on the bacon, the smoky bacon, gonna release a lot of fat, so it'll help you to cook. So when the pan is really hot, just gonna add our garlic first. Our bacon, so it's 250 grams of the bacon for the 2 people. So we're not using a lot of ingredients, that's why 250 grams is a lot of bacon, but it's for the 2 people. Just be really careful with the salt, because the bacon is already salty. You just have to be careful with like when you're adding the salt. So I'm not gonna add the salt at the moment. But what we can do, I love pepper. Just gonna crack some pepper when I'm cooking. I can smell it, the garlic, a lot of fat from the bacon. It's beautiful. You can see our pasta is nearly ready, but we got the timer on, so we don't need to worry about it. So you can see the little tiny dot there, so it's not ready yet. I can put my heat on a little bit low because our pasta is not ready yet. If this was a guanciale, you will see a lot of fat on the pan, so we have to take it out. But this is a bacon, smoky bacon, but there's not much fat. Turning a bit low, and I can enjoy my beer at the same time. So that's a good thing about the summer. Nice. This is Mexican. Bellissimo. The Google already announced our 10 minutes already up, so we'll check the pasta. Nice. You can see nice stiff. So we can turn off the heat. We turn off the heat from the bacon as well. The reason we're turning off this one is when we add the egg into it, we don't want the scrambled egg. We want a creaminess from to the pasta, just the coating. So we turn off that one. Now we can straight away we can add the pasta into it, because the pasta is still hot. So it will bring it to the heat again. So this is already hot enough. Just gonna mix it through. We're going to add our eggs into it, and straight. Nice and creamy spaghetti carbonara without a cream. How good it is. Now we can add some pinch of salt. And some pepper. Add more cheese. And when you say Italian, it's all about the cheesiness, the cream, all the rich flavor. And we got some chives, we already chopped it. We're gonna add into it. Mix it. I can smell it. It's really nice. Really nice. So this one gonna go into the bowl, so it's ready to serve. The spaghetti carbonara. We're about to serve this one. You see that? It's not too saucy, but all the creaminess out of the eggs into it, and that doesn't look like a scrambled egg as well. So guys, carbonara, no cream. Italian will hate you if you put the cream into it. Just gonna put the serving side. Make sure I got the right amount of the bacon and everything. Nice, beautiful. That's for the two, so I'll save the rest. I love pepper, so it doesn't mean you have to put more pepper. Like I like the pepper, that's why I'm adding extra pepper into it. And the cheese. Don't be generous with the cheese. Cheese is the key ingredient for the pasta. La pasta. I tell you, this is a beautiful pasta, Italian way.